Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darci, where we take this simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's video is in collab with several other YouTubers, hosted by Christina from the DIYmommy.com. Now, Christina does these challenges every season. And today, I'd like to show you some of the organizational ideas that I have incorporated in my kitchen as part of this challenge. Let's get started. Thank you, Christina, for hosting this challenge. I am so excited to be a part of it. Anything to do with organization, I'm in. So I'd like to show you today some of the organizational tips and tricks that I use in my kitchen for maximum efficiency. So let's get started. Let's start right here on this counter. I'll do a couple of the drawers as well as we go along. So this basket, I have 3 of these baskets on the counter. As I pan around, you'll see one I keep the fruits in, one I keep the breakfast items in on the other side. And of course, this one right here is where I call my junk drawer, but it has pens, pencils, and paper for notes. Now let's look into this drawer here. This is the second drawer. There's several drawers here. This drawer has all the batteries that we need for the home. So it has all different sizes, and I just keep them in here for easy access. Now, the second item here on the counter is where we keep our charger, because we keep our phones in this basket. And pretty much all it is, the cord goes through here, and of course, that's where all the chargers or phones are kept. Now, as I go around this room, this is the second basket, my fruit basket. So we've done basket number 1 that has the pens and pencils, basket number 2 that has all the fruits. And then as I open the drawers here, this is another drawer I'm going to open here. I have all the bags for sandwiches. And then over here, I have all the straws for the grandkids. We used to use a lot of these straws, and when they're here, I usually just pull one out, and then they both have their own straws or own container, and then they would just take whatever straws they want. But now we don't use as many straws, so they probably have to throw these out soon. But this is what it used to look like. It still does, but this is what we keep for the grandkids for their straws. Now, I don't keep a lot of things on the counter except for candles, and I don't keep my soap or anything to do with dishwashing here, because I just feel like it needs to be something attractive other than the soap. So this is what this little area looks like. This is right above my sink here. Now, I keep my napkins or these towels folded like this all the time. We do have the paper towel here underneath the cupboard, but the regular cloth towels are usually folded in this little container. And of course, this is just for decoration right here. Now, this is my third basket, and this is where we keep our breakfast items. So these jars are jars that I have purchased with, say, mangoes from Costco, and when the jars are empty, I just repurpose them for breakfast items. So for instance, there's chia seeds, there's sliced almonds, there are raisins, and these are things that are kept on this Lazy Susan. And speaking about Lazy Susan, I have several Lazy Susans in this home because I think they're so efficient in the refrigerator, in the pantry. on the counter. So I have several of these all over the kitchen here. Now I'll go into this drawer and show you what's here. So this is where we keep all our, not all, but some of our vitamins and tea bags as well. The second drawer here has like the towels, the extra dish towels. And of course, this drawer is where I keep all the breakfast, some of the other breakfast items and the teas as well. So I'll move over to the stove area here. The counters are usually pretty bare because it makes it easier to do cleaning. I have all my spices here organized in this drawer. I do have some other spices in other drawers as well. This on the left side of the stove or the cooktop is where I keep some utensils. And also on the right side of the stove, I keep extra utensils as well. And then this drawer has like my car keys and my dark glasses. This is what I keep in here. This is what the area here looks like. Now I'll move over to the pantry, and I'm not going to do a pantry tour today only because I'm doing a separate video on the pantry, and I've done one before. I've done several before because every 3 months I reorganize my pantry. So I'll show you what that's like in another video. But this is what this area or this side of the kitchen looks like. You've seen this table before, and I keep it pretty much like this most of the time. The table is usually set like this, but whenever it's time for a meal, we just pull the place setting off and put our regular place setting there. Of course, on this Lazy Susan, I told you there are several Lazy Susans in this house, or turntables. I just keep flowers on there for right now, but usually what's there is whatever seasoning we're going to be using for the meal. So this is what my kitchen looks like from an organizational point of view. I am very much into organizing. I love the place being clean and organized, and I'm so excited to be a part of this challenge because not only does it motivate me to clean my house and organize, but I'm sure it motivates all of us for that matter to keep our place really organized. So again, if you like this video and you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And while I'm on subscribing to my channel, don't forget to go over to Christina's channel and see the playlist that she has. Watch all the other videos from all the other participants. Subscribe to their channel as well. Subscribe to Christina's channel. She has a wonderful, wonderful channel. You'll love it once you get started. I have really enjoyed watching her videos over the years, the last 2 years since I've been on YouTube. So again, please take time to go over, watch the videos, subscribe to the various channels, and thank you again for stopping by. And I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.